Hello, hello, hello. So today I want to walk you through how to change the background of your Roku. I currently have it set on the kind of like the standard default background, and if you want to change it, it's pretty easy. All you need to do is in the settings, open up the settings and go into the theme section here. In the theme section, you have access to packs, which are going to change your wallpaper, your screensavers, and your sounds all at the same time. Or you can go in here and you can change each of these independently. So your background is called a wallpaper. And you can see that I have the Roku City set, but I have all of these options that I can also change it to. Okay. Now to select a wallpaper, let me find one that looks cool. I like the dynamic ones that have a little bit of movement to them. Do we have any other dynamic? Let's try this one. Okay. You're just going to hit OK. And then you'll hit Set as Wallpaper. And it has now changed our whole background. And if I go to any other page, you'll see that that is now the background. Okay. So just to show you this real quick again, go to Settings, Theme, Wallpapers, or choose a theme pack where it changes everything. So a theme pack, if I select this one, get the theme pack. Oh, I don't have my pen. Oh, where's my pen? I can't remember. But I would just go through the process and it would change everything. Sound, wallpaper, and your screensaver all in one shot. So it's a pretty easy video today, guys. I hope it helps. If it does, if you could like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.